there you are. Sorry, wrong location. I was not ready. I was somewhere else. So, but I found you. It's all good. We're here. We're ready. What was that? Just get on with the routine. Yeah. You know what? Fair enough. Fair enough. Welcome back to Ben in 10. Just gonna get the beach shoes off. And it's yoga time, everyone. We're gonna go for a little yoga flow today. So yeah, welcome back. It's gonna be quite fast paced, so if you prefer something a little bit more slower, there's other stuff on the channel. We're gonna press the fast forward button at times on this routine, so be ready for that. To start with then, may you please inhale, and we're gonna do a sun salutation, which obviously means saluting the sun, so if it's raining where you are, tough luck. If you can salute the sun, then pop your hands in prayer position, that'd be fantastic. Coming down on the exhale, and then tucking that head in as we go to forward fold. Releasing that back, because it's been holding you up all day. Releasing that spine, deserve the rest. Inhale into flat back briefly, please. And then exhaling out to find a lunge. Inhaling up to a high lunge position. This is that pose where you're like, look at me doing yoga pose. Look fabulous. Look fabulous. Anyway, we've got that high lunge position, and we're going to spiral those arms down. Exhale out into plank. Inhale here. Exhale down to chaturanga, and inhale up to cobra. Be that sunbathing snake. Glorious. Exhaling into child's pose just briefly, and then exhaling into downward dog. Find your downward dog, and let's have 4 deep breaths here. You can just take this as a moment for yourself. Forget you're following a workout. Inhaling with that right, keeping the foot flexed just for a second, and then coming in, walking your hands, walking your feet towards your hands, and rolling up. Allowing on the inhale your left foot to come into tree pose, everyone. And meeting those arms in prayer position. This is the time to chill. But you should be feeling relaxed throughout the entire routine, of course. Clasping that leg with your right arm, twisting round to the left. Meeting with hands at heart center. Lovely stuff. Those hands are going to come behind you on the inhale as you drag your left foot out. You're going to meet up top. And then as we exhale, come down, contract, grab the left ankle, try and keep your balance into dancer's pose. This is not beginner's jazz, everybody, it's a real deal. Extend that, and then place the left foot down, windmill those hands over because it looks cool. And then inhale here, and then exhale, spiral the arms down, sweep away that right foot into a side plank. Try and get it as high as possible, and then into chaturanga on the exhale. Inhaling up to your sunbathing snake, to your cobra. Exhaling back into downward dog. This time, taking a left. Let's go for elegance, everyone. Point those toes this time. And then we're going to come in, knee to nose, contract on the exhale, bring the foot through, place your right leg down, inhale up through, mini warrior. And And then exhaling to find a pyramid stretch, stretching that hamstring out. Inhale, take that left arm around, say hi to the sky, and then underneath as you come up to warrior two. Extend, look beautiful. I know you will be looking beautiful. And then just balancing onto that left foot, coming into warrior three. Inhaling up to tree pose, relaxing, halfway through, we're doing well. Rotating that right leg round, clasping it with your left hand, twisting to the right. Hello, you're doing great. I can't see what you're doing, but imagining you're doing fantastic. I'm certainly enjoying myself. Going back into the sun salutations down the other side. So we're going to do each side that we haven't done. Inhaling up. Imagine you're in that film Midsummer. You're doing some sort of strange ritual or something. Salute the sun and then exhaling down to forward fold. Inhale, flat back. Let's see it really nice and flat. Balance some books on top of that, please. And then taking your lunge, taking your high lunge, inhaling up to your high lunge, shoulders down. Then we're going to spiral around, take your right leg back into plank, exhaling into plank, inhale here, and then lowering into chaturanga. You're not holding that plank for too long, I'm not going to be too cruel today. And inhaling into cobra. In through the nose, out through the nose as we take child's pose just briefly, and then exhaling into downward dog. 4 deep breaths in downward dog. Inhale with the left, keeping the foot flexed, and then coming in, walking your legs towards your hands, rolling up through the spine. Inhaling again, tree pose, which is like our little coffee break between flows, if you like. What coffee do you prefer? Cappuccino, mocha, latte? Anyway, then coming back into that twist, everyone. And we have our last flow section on the other side of that dancer's kind of pose routine bit. Bit of balancing now thrown in as well, because I wanted to be cruel today. Hands at heart center. Let's this time allow that right leg to drift out as we come behind on the inhale. Then we're going to exhale, contract, and flow into dancer's pose, like so. Allowing your right foot to just come backwards, and then windmilling around, because it looks brilliant. Windmilling round there, and just inhaling here. Coming down onto the floor and taking it into side plank. Exhaling into chaturanga. Inhaling into cobra. Exhaling into down dog. Inhaling, point the toes, let's go for elegance with the right, and then coming in, knee to nose, and all the way through into your mini warrior pose, left foot, left knee on the floor. Exhaling as we come into pyramid. Allowing that right arm to do a nice big wave to the world, and then coming in between to find warrior two. scrap warrior 2, make it warrior 3. Flow from warrior 3 into tree. That sounds good to me. I'm rotating round so I can see you. Grab that left and extend. Twist. Now starting to wind down, everyone. So, going to go into forward fold again. Forward fold, take it into squat. Can you keep both feet on the floor? If you can, fantastic. Coming back up to forward fold. Releasing that back that has been carrying you around all day and is very tired of doing so. Into squat, back to forward fold. Into squat, and then we're going to do something a little fun, coming back into forward fold, placing those arms on the mat and trying to elevate your body weight just on those arms. A little jump and then back into squat, sitting down and breathing as we go into Shavasana. There we go. Oh, there's a nice bird flying above, very close to me. Hi. Into Shavasana for relaxation. And just relax here, everyone, for a minute or so. Keep deep breathing here. Think about what you need to think about. It's your time. Don't let my voice get in the way of it. Turn me off, mute me, whatever. Finally coming up to sitting. When you feel ready, it is up to you. You can stay there as long as you wish. The song of the day is Win Again by Keston Cobbler's Club, a lovely folk band that I've seen live. I recommend you do that. They're beautiful, it will get you in the mood. Other than that, I hope you've enjoyed this yoga flow today, and join me on Thursday for a live workout where you can follow along in real time. And also, what else? I just hope you guys, please subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, that'd be really helpful. And I hope you have a great week, and I'll be back with more exciting stuff. Lots of love.